Duond bura mar DAP Eugene Wamalwa dok na jalop jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kaluwore gi tonge mag siasa masani chuoyo e duond bura mar UDA ewi kelo twak motenore gi kaka owinjore pog mwandu ne gwenge mathuka. Wamalwa kone Gachagua ni kare mar chiwo pache ewi chenro mag nono jopiny oyudo pok ma onge kod mibadhi. Bende omedo jiwo jood bura mage ni kik kadh paro mar chik mar omenda. Wamalwa nolose gwenge mag Nambale nyasi mar sidho Reverend Isaiah Obuya kaka bishop mar ang'wen Manambale.
Leo pia tunataka tuseme ule mjadala unaendelea wa ile mambo ya ugavi wa rasilimali za pesa za Kenya. Kuna wale wanasema 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling. Kuna wale wanasema 1 shilling, 1 kilometer. Leo tunataka tuseme haya ni kama yale tumeambiwa na bishop leo. Haya ni kama ya the tiger and the donkey. Whether the grass is green or blue is a matter of opinion, and every Kenyan is entitled to their opinion. This is a conversation whose time has come. Let us freely talk about it. Tusiwe tena na mambo ya vitisho ama intimidation.
Ruto hawezi kututisha. Akienda Kombo tunamnyorosha, akifuata sheria tunamuunga mkono. There are no two ways about it. So the finance bill, be not afraid. People do not exist to serve governments. It's governments that exist to serve the people. Let us not reverse that order.
The current government has emasculated parliament. The current government has captured judiciary. The current government is slowly, probably, has also captured the church. So the people of Kenya are left defenseless. We come back to you, the people of church, to pray for Kenya. Kenyans are on their own.